Hello friends, so is your engine oil pressure warning light on? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0524, it means your engine oil pressure is too low, which can lead to some pretty serious engine damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0524 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. Alright, so what is P0524? The P0524 code stands for Engine Oil Pressure Too Low. This means the Engine Control Module, or ECM, has detected dangerously low oil pressure, which can cause poor lubrication and even potential engine failure. The oil pressure sensor monitors the oil pressure and sends signals to the ECM. If the pressure is too low, the ECM triggers this code to protect your engine. Common symptoms of P0524 include check engine light on, oil pressure warning light on, engine making ticking or knocking noises, loss of engine power or stalling, and excessive engine heat. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. Alright, let's talk about some of the most common causes behind that P0524 code. First up, low engine oil level. Basically, if there's not enough oil, it just can't maintain the right pressure. Next, a faulty oil pressure sensor. Sometimes the sensor just isn't sending the correct data about the pressure. Then, dirty or contaminated oil, old or low quality oil really affects oil pressure. Another thing to look out for is a clogged oil filter or oil passages, since restricted oil flow can definitely cause pressure drops. Also, a failing oil pump is a big one. A weak or failing pump just won't generate enough pressure. And finally, engine wear, like worn bearings or seals, can lead to internal leaks and pressure loss. So, yeah, those are the main things you want to check if you're dealing with a P0524 code. So, how do you actually fix a P0524 code? Well, here are the steps you should follow. First, use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0524 code. That's always the best starting point. Second, check your oil level, and if it's low, just refill it with the correct oil grade. Third, inspect the oil pressure sensor, and if it's faulty or leaking, go ahead and replace it. Fourth, change the engine oil and filter, since dirty oil can really cause low pressure. Fifth, check how the oil pump is functioning. If it's weak, it might need to be replaced. And finally, reset the code and take your car for a test drive, just to make sure everything's working and the oil pressure is where it should be. Just to wrap things up, the P0524 code is a pretty serious issue, and if you ignore it, it can actually lead to engine failure. Fixing it as soon as possible is the smart move, and it'll help you avoid those really costly repairs down the road.